In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate Gemini on Samsung. This is a quick walkthrough that uses the Google app already on your Samsung phone, and by the end, you'll have Gemini ready to go. We'll move step by step, and I'll also share a few helpful tips so everything runs smoothly. First, open the Google app on your Samsung device. This is the app with the multicolored G icon that you use for search. Give it a moment to load on the home screen. Next, look to the top right corner of the Google app and tap your profile icon. That's the small, circular picture or initial tied to your Google account. If you use more than one Google account on your phone, make sure you're on the account you want to use with Gemini before moving forward. From there, tap Settings. This opens the main control center for the Google app where you can fine-tune features and preferences. Inside Settings, find and tap Gemini. This is where you turn on Google's AI assistant experience. When you open the Gemini section, you'll see an introduction page that explains what it can do and how it integrates with your Google experience. Now, follow the prompts on your screen to activate it. The exact prompts can vary, but typically you'll be asked to confirm the Google account you want to use, review key terms, and allow any necessary permissions so Gemini can work properly. You may also be asked if you want Gemini to handle assistant-style requests. If you're prompted to replace the classic Google Assistant with Gemini, choose the option that fits your preference. Some screens may invite you to personalize things like language, voice responses, or suggestions. Feel free to adjust those to your liking, or you can keep the defaults and change them later. When you see a button like Activate, Turn On, or I agree, go ahead and confirm to finish setup. After a brief moment, you should see a confirmation that Gemini is active. That's it. To recap the flow you just learned, open the Google app, tap your profile icon, go into Settings, tap Gemini, and then follow the on-screen prompts to activate. If you don't see the Gemini option in Settings, give it a little time and check back later, as availability can roll out gradually. It also helps to make sure the Google app is up to date and that you're signed in with the correct account. A quick restart of the app or your phone can also clear out temporary glitches. You're all set. Enjoy exploring Gemini on your Samsung device and customize it as you go to make it work best for you.